Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you guys for staying tuned. I know it's been a while. Unfortunately my computer crashed, so I haven't been able to upload as much as I want. But today I'm coming to you guys with this video to show you how to get instant hair color. So I colored my hair red in less than 3 minutes, and I'll show you how to do it. You can go ahead and keep watching, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is hairspray, but it's color hairspray, and it's Salon Graphics High Beams Intense. It's temporary hairspray color, and this is the number 40 burgundy. Now my hair is brighter, but I didn't want it to be so bright. What I'm gonna do is spray the roots and spray some of the parts where I don't want it to be too bright, because what I have is like two completely different hair colors in. And I hope you guys like my braids. A hair braider, I think her name is Tiara, did them. I'll put her information down in the link below. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I got this hairspray to see if I could get my roots to match a little closer. But I do have two colors. In the back it's a little bit more of just a regular cherry red, and then in the front is more of a like bright, almost neon red. So I got her to mix the two colors in so that it won't be like too bright or too harsh of a difference in between the two colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the spray. I believe you do shake it up before you use it. So shake it up before you use it. And as you guys can see, I've already started a little bit here. Now it does come off with water, soap and water, so you could just wash this out. It's not permanent. And I'll just take my finger and kind of blend it in like that. And my roots are from brown to red. Now I just want a little bit, so I'm just sparsely spraying. And once I do my my little edges, my little baby hairs, then you could see if it'll blend in with my baby hairs as well. So I'm gonna get this part up here. Excuse me. I'm gonna spray some of this on it. It's just a leave-in conditioning mist, and it's Can2 Shea Butter. I use this every night to moisturize and seal my hair, and it's really good. It also smells good, so yeah, you guys need to get you some of this, honey. Okay, so because my hair is so thin, it doesn't take much, but I do like to wet my hair just to kind of lay it down. And this is what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to wet it first, just so, you know, I don't have to tussle with my baby hairs as much. Now, I'm going to look and see. I'm going to take my little toothbrush and look and see. Sprite notes. And now my hair color is red in less than 3 minutes. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys until next time.